We got a great episode for you today. We're going to start off with some modifications on a 1942 GPW.
Then we're going to show you guys a start to finish look at what it looks like to make a part here at Crave.
And then we're going to make a catch pan for a Honda race car that we built. That thing has 1100 horsepower.
And then we show you the beast. What it looks like now, what's going into it, what it's going to look like, and what it looked like before. Enjoy.
Ford built over 250,000 of these small quarter-ton Jeeps. They came with a 134 cubic inch Ford 4-cylinder with a 3-speed transmission and 2-speed transfer case. Weighing in at just under 2,500 pounds, its 80-inch wheelbase with 54 all-American horsepower, this Ford GPW was just what the military needed in World War II.
That's it? Fair?
On this GPW, the passenger side of the windshield, it actually began to sag all the way to where it was touching the dash. So we have to heat up a couple areas, pull it apart, stretch it back out, and put it back where it's supposed to be.
Little torquey on that out with just this frame piece, and then we go ahead and start building from there for what the customer wants. So we get a rendering of a drawing put together for them, and then we'll go from there. We'll go up to the front and I'll show you what we're doing up there. Up here we have independent front suspension, center mounted almost. This is done by Sand Power Sports. You can check out their stuff online. And then this one actually has about 30 inches of travel, so you go all the way up, all the way down. And we'll show some clips of that. Actually rotating. Then if kind of get the feel of what we're going with on the body design here. Again, it all starts off with just a drawing, and then we go ahead from there. All right, then back here in the rear, we go ahead and clean off this entire beam that's came stock with this Volkswagen chassis. We'll go ahead and put in a 3x3 trailing arm system that's provided by Pacific Customs. And then they also will be supplying the micro stubs, brakes, and those, all the hardware for that setup. And then we'll go ahead and put in some clips of some other buggies that give you an idea of what this rear end's going to look like as well, with the whole frame coming down, the whole V8 inside of something that was only holding a 4-cylinder.
This video is brought to you by cravfabricationco, your one-stop shop in metal fabrication. They provide everything from full race buggies to one-off custom signs. Set your appointment and get Crave Fabrication merchandise at cravfabrication.com.